How to get Microsoft Word for Mac and use it for free. So let's get started. First thing first, Microsoft offers a free online version of Word that you can use directly from your browser. It's part of the Microsoft 365 suite but with limited features compared to the desktop version. Then, after that, you can also sign up for Microsoft 365 free trial, which includes the full version of Microsoft Word along with other Office apps like Excel, PowerPoint, and Outlook as well. Microsoft Word is available for free on iPads and iPhones through App Store. The free version provides basic editing tools, but it is on price on MacBook. Or you can also use the alternative method, such as many schools and universities and workplaces provide Microsoft 365 for free. If you have an email address through your school or employer, you can often access the full version of Microsoft Word as well. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.